Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to know about prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? The prime numbers are actually those numbers which are having only two factors. Let's see, let me show you a little bit of explanation over here. If we are talking about 1, then 1 multiplied by 1, but 2, 1 multiplied by 2, but 3, 1 multiplied by 3, but for 4 we get 1 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, for 5, 1 multiplied by 5. For 6 we have more, actually 1 multiplied by 6. Can you see here? 2 multiplied by 3 and no more. Okay, let's take a step over here, and I want to talk about something. If you observe this multiplications number of two numbers, multiplications of two numbers, on the time you can see one is having only one factor. How many factor? One factor. This one is having two factor, 2 itself and 1. This 3 is having again 2 factor, but 4 is having 1, 2, 3 factor. 5 is having 1 in itself, 2 factor. 6 is having 4 factors. Now check this one. This 2, 3 and 5, all of them are having 1 in itself. Factors as 1 in itself. So it means these 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers, but not 1, because 1 is having only one factor. Okay, 1 is having only one factor, and when any number having only one factor is not a prime factor. So 1 is not a prime factor. Why? Because it is having only one factor. And the numbers which are having two factors, 1 and itself, it is called prime numbers. Let's go to talk about more. Okay, the prime numbers, those numbers are actually prime numbers, but the other numbers which are having more than two factors, they are called composite number. Okay, composite number. Which are the composite number? From the page you can see that one. You can see 4 and 6 are composite numbers because they are having more than two factors. Okay, so let's find out the factors over here. Prime factors basically. Okay, and I'm not going to do all of them. Yeah, you will do by yourself. And let's see. At first you have to take your pencil. Okay, don't forget about your pencil whenever you are writing on your book. So let's write. The first one number is, they have crossed it out. Why they have crossed it out? Because it is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number, and all the even number they have crossed out. Why they have crossed out? Because all the even numbers are basically can be divided with 2. So it's not possible. So we can cut down that part. 5 is a prime number because it is having only one factor. 7, yes, in the class maybe we have done that little part sometime in the other topic for explaining little bit other things on that time. Okay, so might be you remember. Then 11 is have only one 2 factor. 13 again 2 factor. 17 again 2 factors. 19 only 2 factors. So these are the prime numbers. Okay, 23 prime number. 25 it can be divided with 5. So all the numbers which are having 5 in the last, they are not prime numbers, so we can cut them because they all of them are actually can be divided with 5. So just cross them, cross the whole line. That's it, cross the whole line. Okay, here 29. Let's see, 29 can be divided with any other number or not. Think. Let's see, think. Yes, 29 is also a prime number. 31, yes, 31 is having only 2 factor. 37 definitely have only 2 factor. 49, I just check it, 49, 7 sevens are 49, so it's not a prime number. 47, yes, a prime number. 43, again, it cannot be divided with any other number but itself and 1, so it's a prime number. 41, again prime number. 51 is not a prime number because it can be divided with, as far as I remember, with 3. Okay, definitely is not a prime number. 53, I think it is, yes, it is a prime number. 57, no, again it can be divided with 3, as far as I remember. 59, prime number. This can be divided with 3. This, prime number. And 63, definitely not a prime number, composite number. Okay, 61, a prime number. 71, a prime number. 73, again a prime number. 77 can be divided with 7. The answer will be 11. And 79 is a prime number. 89, again a prime number. 99 can be divided with 9 or 3. 87, again can be divided. 97 is a prime number. And here 83 is a prime number. But 93 is not a prime number. It can be divided with 3. And 81 is not a prime number. 9 nines are 81. And 91 can be divided with 7 and 13. So this is the list basically. What are the prime numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There are 25 numbers. There are 25 numbers which are prime numbers. Okay, if they ask you how many prime numbers are from 1 to 100, on that time you can say 25. Let me zoom out. There is another list is given here. After having some little bit fun, you can find out that your answers are correct or not. Okay, they have given us why do we need to study prime numbers and composite numbers. Here it is written that it is possible to break down composite numbers into multiplication of prime numbers. Okay, there are some example. 4 can be break down into 2 into 2. Both 2 is actually prime numbers, and 12 2 into 2 into 3. They are prime numbers, but if you multiply them, you will get 12. Here 2 into 2 into 5. Again, all of them are prime numbers, but if you multiply them, you will get this. I will prefer that you will practice this, all of this: 20, 42, 12, 81, 210 and 385. Okay, if you practice them, you will remember and you can find out actually what are these or how to find out. Here I want to do with you. Please take your pencil, never forget pencil. And this is pencil, don't forget that. If you break down 6, then what will happen? Let me take my copy so that I can show you. Here you can see that I have break down them to possible numbers of multiplication. So this set I can take for this number: 2 into 3, 2 into 3. For 8, if you multiply two numbers like 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. So 3 numbers and 3 blanks. We can put down them here: 2, 2 and 2. Okay, oopsie, not my fault. Anyway, let's break down 18. Think like this, 2 into 2, 4. Can 4 be dividing? No, it's not possible. Let's write down 18's factors at first. I hope you can see that. Here I have breakdown 18 and this is the 2 targeted number. This one I will not use this one. I will use this one or that one, but you can see that we are having 3 blanks over here. So what to do? This is a composite number and this one is a composite number. We need to break them into prime numbers. So if you break 9, we will get 3 into 3. So 2 into 3 into 3. All of them are prime numbers and we have 3 gaps for 3 digits. So these are the 3 digits. If you take this one 3 into 6, then 6 should be divided into 2 prime numbers. So 3 into 2. So 3 digits, you can see 3 into 3 into 2. So both of this set or this set, you can use any of the set for 18 numbers. Sorry, 18, not 18 numbers. So I am going to write down 2, 3, 3. The first one I have find out, and for 30 number, what to do? Think about it. 30, 1 into 30, 2 into 15. So I get 1. Let's see 15. Can we divide 15 into 2 other numbers? Definitely. So it will be 2 into 3 into 5. I have 3 boxes and 3 prime numbers. Let's write them. This is all for today. We learned about prime number and composite number. If they ask you what is the relation between prime number and composite number, you can say that prime number having only 2 factors and composite numbers are having more than 2 factors. But you can break down break down composite number into product of prime numbers, but it is not possible to break down prime numbers and find out the composite numbers into multiplication. It's not possible. Okay, these are the relation between them. Okay, take care, be fine, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.